Hello everyone, welcome back to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing the question of, will vapor honing damage your sealing surfaces? Let's get into it. So to answer the question, will vapor honing damage your sealing surfaces? The short answer is no. If you're blasting with the correct abrasive, no matter the type of metal that you're blasting with, you will not damage those sealing surfaces. The reason for this is that with vapor honing, we use a clean by flow process. This is unlike sandblasting because sandblasting does not have water. So as your abrasive is coming out of the blast gun, it's just propelled directly onto your part and it just slams into it to clean it. That's essentially what it does. With vapor honing, because you're introducing water, whenever it's coming out of the blast gun, the water will hit the part first. It'll then be followed by the abrasive, and what this allows the abrasive to do is actually use its characteristics. So for example, if you're using a glass bead, it's going to be able to roll across the part rather than slamming into it like it would with sandblasting. What this does for your sealing surfaces is because it is more gentle than sandblasting, it's not actually going to pit or damage those sealing surfaces, it's just going to finish them. So to discuss the gentle nature of vapor honing a little bit further, like I mentioned, you don't have to worry about taking off any of the metal off of your part for your sealing surface. This can even be done with parts that are made out of softer metals because you can always turn the pressure down, and if you're using the correct abrasive, you don't have to worry about taking any of your actual part away. Another advantage, and this is specifically with vapor honing, is that you do not have to worry about heat affecting your part. Because water is being introduced into the process, it keeps your part cool and prevents warping. So if you are trying to implement vapor honing into your process that specifically involves sealing surfaces, our staff here can most definitely help you determine what abrasives and pressures you need to utilize, while also helping you figure out which machine you might need. We've done a lot of research when it comes to sealing surfaces, and we've also had a lot of clients that have bought our machine specifically for this. Let's say you have an application that we haven't seen before, or you want to see it to believe it, because I know that is something that I personally like a lot. We offer free in-house testing. If you have a part that you would like to have blasted in one of our machines and let us do a little bit of testing on, you can ship it to us, we'll blast it for free and send it back to you, and you can do the testing that you need to make certain that our machines will perform like they should, and they will. If you guys would like to get started with that today, you can reach us at 828-202-5563, and if you're actually ready to get a machine, you can check out our website, vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Thank you all for watching, have a great day, and peace.